You guys want to go run around in a field of sunflowers? You guys would probably eat the sunflowers though. Okay, guinea pigs, now we are going to react to YooA of Oh My Girl. What is this? Bon Voyage. Now you guys know that I am an Oh My Girl stan, so got high hopes for this. Got some forest twilight vibes here, except it's not blue enough. I wonder how much the car paid this video, the car company. Holy cow, that's... what the heck? Now we're getting really Twilight. Twilight meeting Outlander. So we're back to the forest fairy princess look. Oh My Girl does so well. You know what? I really want to dance around a sunflower field. It looks so much fun. The song's kind of mellow and the guineas are being kind of mellow. This video really has the cinematography. Wow, there's some like deep forest teas here. Anybody remember Deep Forest? I used to listen to them when I was studying. This is not what I was expecting, but I'll go with it. Man, the scenery in this video is top notch. So much running in this video. Hey Minnie, come to join us? What's that, the Tree of Wisdom or something? Oh, that's the end? Felt kind of quick. Oh, that was like such a pretty video. What did you guys think? You guys want to go run around in a field of sunflowers? You guys would probably eat the sunflowers though. So I'm thinking you would.